Hi, I'm John Mitchell, IPC President and CEO. Let's talk a little bit about the workforce challenges that are plaguing the industry. Even though we hear people say there's a workforce problem, there's not just one problem. This obstacle is multifaceted and international, and so are the solutions. The inability to find and retain skilled workers limits the growth and competitiveness of manufacturing companies. The pressure is on to retain the institutional and technical knowledge of the aging workforce while training the next generation of workers in those capabilities. As an engineer and an educator, I believe it is critical to align job training with staff growth. Staff growth is facilitated by providing pathways for career development as the work environment evolves. In other words, once someone is on our team, we need to do the right things to keep them. We need to turn jobs into careers, and relevant and engaging upskill training programs like those that IPC Workforce Training provides are proven to increase employee productivity, confidence, loyalty, and morale. These programs help employees to envision the next step in their growth path. Globally, workforce shortages are not limited to the factory. A shortage of engineers has continued for over a decade, making it critical for us to get engineers aware and interested in the challenging and rewarding career path of electronics manufacturing. The IPC Education Foundation does this successfully at the college level with competitions, awareness campaigns, chapters, and interactions with local electronic shops to help potential engineers and technicians gain awareness of the interesting and exciting work that is happening, in many cases, in their own backyard. IPC is taking significant strides to address this ongoing challenge through its workforce development programs, a suite of online job-based training courses that are designed, built, and tested in conjunction with the electronics industry. IPC offers modern skills training programs like the electronics assembly for operators and wire harness for operators to bring new talent off the bench and onto the line within hours instead of weeks. Developed by the industry for the industry, IPC's education team successfully launched the Electronics for Assembly Engineers course. This is a fully online, self-paced 12-module training program that teaches new engineers the fundamentals of PCB assembly, and it has taken off, especially in Europe. Within 3 months of its release, European EMS companies and OEMs put nearly 150 engineers through the program. IPC is also working to garner global government agency assistance in creating workforce opportunities for the electronics manufacturing industry. IPC is working to facilitate government involvement in supporting job training through business tax credits for expenditures on training and certification offered by industry associations, tax incentives for training and certifying at the individual level focused on post-secondary education expenditures, grants for industry-based organizations to help cover costs of industry training program development and upskilling workers who may be displaced due to automation, partnering with trade associations to identify critical training and certification programs in key industries and ensure that federal contracting requirements contain language supporting these programs. Federal funding for trade associations to develop next-gen or future-facing training programs to keep industries competitive. Workforce challenges will likely continue for some time. We need to continue to do what we do to solve problems, work together, and innovate. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.